so far. We've gotten the fuel cell in. Deegan got the suspension on. Didn't put the new bolts in. Other than that, it's taking some hellacious time. Shout out to my grandma for hooking us up on the bolts. You know, Granny, huge with the shout out, you know. We had those like 6 months ago. There wasn't even a car yet. Ooh, that one right there. Ooh, that one right there. A little bit of a problem right there, bub.
Okay.
Well, it's spring steel, so it doesn't really matter, but hell no, it don't fit.
Long or short?
Check it out, check it out. Free as a bee, you know what I mean? Fly and sting, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we need to put these plates in. See, it's a struggle to really put this damn thing in there. Sure.
After that, I think
Listen,
I should
now,
probably take
the quick question is, would you put the lock washer on the side with the nut or the lock washer
on the bullhead.
You put it on the
On
bullhead?
the bullhead.
Really?
I literally looked it up.
You had to look it up?
I looked it up earlier.
I didn't even try it.
Hey, you can use that long one. Put a washer on that side with the lock on. With the lock on it.
Listen, I gotta get it in back to screw these bad boys in.
You know what I'm saying? It'll take up that length if you put a washer and a lock washer on it. On all of them.
Listen, we're not doing that. The old bolts are gonna look crazy.
That shit look good.
Not a scratch.
It,
You know,
it doesn't fit. What in the
Use my floor.
That's what's crazy. One of these has to be grinded a little more than the other. I'm a little concerned. Oh, it is that one. Okay.
It doesn't matter which one's in or out. Which one? Because there's 3 over here. It'd be these 2.
It's
Those 2. That's the brake fluid. Ah, yeah. See, I'm learning. Fucking learning, kid. You put on.
Yeah, I put that on with the lock washer.
We're trying to build a race car, you know? They're not for sale. Trust me.
No
I'll
warranty.
just, you know?
No warranty.
Yeah, we can't guarantee it's
Correct. Straight.
something. I hate that one bolt has to be backwards. That's some BS. You built that, bitch?
Blame the guy who built it.
Oh, wait.
I didn't
That
build
is
it.
you.
You could just pull a U and just start impacting every time you
I
go.
need the freaking rinse. That's what I'm gonna impact.
There you go. Have it. Take it.
I'm gonna freaking ding it all up with the freaking socket.
Yours, dude.
Oh God.
That's a scratch.
That's a freaking scratch right there, bub. That felt real good, actually.
Alright, I'm good.
Tinkling, stingling.
Most of mine have to be hand cranked, so.
That's I know. That's it.
Is it 3/4?
Uh-huh. Extreme concentration. I'm about to blow a freaking. Sorry, that was these bolts hold on to my life.
Yeah, there's a lot.
So.
You can
Oh, that leverage. Oh, that's some. Okay. Dude, I know that I feel a knuckle buster coming.
Let me hold the wrench while I do the other one.
Double duty, one bolt. You wonder why it takes so long for chassis builders to build a race car? It takes multiple guys.
Teamwork makes the dream work, dude. You know what I'm saying? Now you can really focus on that one wrench instead of, ooh, hey, that's my finger. That was my finger. This is a delicate
Hey, we might
project.
actually like
Fresh paint, you gotta use all hand tools.
Dude, check it out, B. Quick shout out, YB Graphics that came through Clutch, Cockpit. You know, those guys over there, amazing.
I can't.
Oh,
Do you think they had to ever get any bigger. It's about it. You know, that's just ratchet. Look, they don't line up.
What?
Them bolts.
They don't line up because
unison.
they're not like perfectly built, you know? This thing is jerry-rigged.
To be gnarly.
Oh no.
Oh, that's good.
Back her up. Back her up.
Oh. When you trying to win? There it goes. There it goes. It's on. There you go. What are you doing? You just give up? Is that it? Gee, you're smart. You turn both at the same time. Get twice as much.
Who wants to see this thing on the ground?
The last snippet there was definitely not needed.
You know, it reminds me of old Billy Moore back in the day.
Really gonna put that in the car?
I honestly could have glued.
You could like put some spray paint or something.
You mean to blast her black real
I want
quick?
you to blast her, master blaster.
What kind of paint do you think you got? What is this? Rust-Oleum painter's touch, bud. Okay. Little paint modification. That's how you make a new part look newer. It was new for sure.
This is what we dealt with for years. So I don't want to hear complaints.
Right, this is how all my race cars looked. All right, everybody thought it was 20 grand. $6. Okay, I'll just let that dry for a little bit. That.
See, this is what I'm talking about. You gotta think it through first before just going at it.
Well, now at least I know where it goes.
Oh. You're a little low from last
I
time.
see this. It's not that fucking easy. Oh.
Oh, God.
And that, son, is how you put a Weir's part on a race car frame.
The impact again. See, now you know. It's time.
Probably should put Loctite on them. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm not ready. Can I go through here?
Dude, you're not gonna be able to go.
You don't think so?
Watch your back.
Oh my God.
Shit.
Oh
Got it
my.
down? Got it down?
Yes, sir. Inspire. Get yourself positioned.
What is this guy doing?
Ooh, that's a bar.
Did you sit your
I did.
Oh my God, I felt that through the frame.
Alright, come on. This is not fun.
No, this is.
Oh, no. This is not gonna be easy. Get it to here and stop. Stop. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. I'm in the air.
Good?
Yeah, let me take a second.
Let me get out. Hold it, damn it. What? Whose idea was to leave all the bolts out?
For what?
No way.
This is gonna scratch something.
No, it's not.
Oh, there it goes. The scratchy frame. Holy smoke.
That sucked. I was in the middle.
Why didn't you wait until I got back?
Because we got this shit.
It's just one ding.
I mean, Austin's already scratched everything else.
Yeah, I know.
And then all these random. That's what came off of the freaking diamond in the shop. I was like, Jesus. But yeah, you can move it around though if you want to move the angle.
Can there's spacers there?
Well, that's how you adjust it from side to side when you're at, like in it. All
got the
right, now hold the jack because I'm gonna push this back and it's gonna move left.
Okay.
All right. Meat beat, baby.
You got the nut for this one? Down there?
Is that right there, sitting there for life. I should have made an extra brace, but like, I'm too dumb for that. I'll cut another center rail out there, some muck.
That one, let it fall, and then drill a hole in it.
Really? I guess that's not a bad thing. It is nice to be flexible. I want it to go. I want it to touch the ground and then literally just go up. As I was going to.
Yeah, let's go. Does yours have a shoulder?
Huh?
Does yours have a shoulder?
Alright, missed a few steps. Camera wasn't fully ready. We kind of got the rear end put in. Do we have video of that? I think we do got video of the rear
put
end.
in.
Either way, we got some clips. We got the front suspension put on, got the power steering put on, front bumper put on. You know, at this point, we're slowly piecing it together. We're getting some wheels mounted at the moment. Here soon, we're gonna put some springs on it, drop her on the ground for the first time. And that'll probably wrap up this video. Stay tuned. Okay. We're gonna change the right rear bead lock, kind of just show you a little quick around the ropes. You know what we gotta do? Get a new tire on there. I can imagine I'm gonna struggle. You get whatever this thing is, bead breaker. I think it's called a bead breaker, and a shaft, whatever that is. You know. And then you just slide it in there. You just take your foot on her. And you just break her off the bead. Haven't forgot this at all. Alright, now to mount some fresh rubbers. You're gonna grab your so-called fresh rubber. You're gonna find your serial marking. Very important. Serial marking faces inside of racetrack. All times. Right side, left side. Facing inside of racetrack. So, always remember that. Quick note. If not, you know, it's fine. No shame. Always get them hand started. Good job, good job. You know how it be. Always hand tighten. And that's how you put a bead lock on. Then you're gonna spray a little soapy water on this side and, you know, blow her up to about 75 PSI, and she's gonna make a big old pop, and you're gonna bail your back out because you're scared. And that's about it when you put a tire on. Got them mounted. I ain't gonna lie. That sucked. That sucked. I haven't mounted a tire in probably 2 years, so I got a lot more to mount, you know what I mean? So stay tuned, we're grabbing lunch. Alright, now that we got the wheels mounted, right now we're a couple weeks behind. We've only got to work 2 days on the car since this last videos were shot, so to catch you up to speed, we have all the shocks mounted on the car, got the springs kind of ballpark set up. Nothing's set where it goes, but soon we're going to go through all the setup stuff to show you guys exactly what everything does, walk you through how we're setting the car up, and pretty much now we're just buttoning up the cockpit, getting it finalized, getting a few pieces of the deck built, and just kind of pretty much just taking our time right now, as we got a few parts in the mail coming this week for all the electrical, got a battery on the way, got all the fuel lines getting ready to get ordered. So just waiting on the little stuff now and start bolting it together. Stay tuned. Alright guys, catch us on the next video finishing up the deck. That's a wrap.